Hi everyone, welcome on my channel TechnoTerabyte. In this video, I will show you some tricks of Google account. Stay until the end because I will also share some security tips that most people never use. Number one, I will show you how to create Google account. Number two, I will show you how to secure your Google account with 4 tips so no one can hack your account ever. Number three, I will show you how to recover your Google account if you forget your password. At the end, I will show you how to delete your Google account if you ever decide to leave. Google account controls your Gmail or YouTube and photo and drive files, Android phone, and all your personal data. And if you lose access to that account, you could lose everything connected. I will show you how step by step. First, open your browser or Gmail app and click on this corner. Click on Add another account, then choose Google. Click on Create account, then choose For my personal use. Now enter your first name and last name. Then enter your date of birth and gender. And choose a username for your Gmail. When you choose username, you will have a problem, maybe not acceptable, because it's taken by other user. So try to add special username. Create strong password, then click next. Sometimes Google asks for a phone number and sometimes it gives you the option to skip it. If you see the skip button, just press it and continue. A good trick is using fresh browser or creating the account from mobile device. Last step, agree to Google's terms and privacy. And that's it. Your new Gmail account is ready. But don't stop here. Most people create an account and leave it without or unprotected. That's a huge mistake. Now we will add recovery information. Now let's make sure you can recover your account later. Open Google account setting and go to security. We can add the recovery phone number and recovery email address. These two options can save your account if you ever forget your password or get logged out. Without them, recovering your account can become much harder. Also enable two-step verification. Now let's add another layer of protection. In security setting, find two-step verification. Turn it on. When enable two-step verification, Google will require a second confirmation in addition to your password. If someone knows your password, they still cannot be able to access your account easily. Now, what if you forget your password? Now let's talk about account recovery. If you forget your password, go to Google account to recovery page, enter your email address or phone number. You will receive a verification code on your phone number or a confirmation email on your recovery email address. Follow the recovery steps carefully. This is exactly why we added phone number and recovery email at the beginning of this video. Now suppose you no longer want your Google account. Before deleting, remember what you will lose: your Gmail emails and your Google Drive files and your photo and your YouTube data. So before deleting anything, download your important data. Tip: how to delete your Google account forever and the right way. First, go to your Google account, then manage your account. Just search for delete account. Enter your password to verify it's really you. If you forget the password, leave a comment to teach you how to reset password. Then click next. Before you continue, this is important. Deleting your account will remove Gmail emails and Google photo and YouTube and everything. Now you will see two checkbox. Tick both of them to confirm you understand what will be deleted. Then last step, click on delete account. And that's it. Your Google account is gone. If you need help with anything, just drop it in the comments. I read everything. And that's it. Everything you need to know about creating, securing, recovering, and deleting. If this guide helped you, let me know in the comments. And remember, creating an account takes a minute. Security, it takes only a few more. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.